Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your VIVO V60E smartphone. In such case, the best solution would be contacting Vivo customer support service and telling them about the issue that you encountered. And if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, for example, by showing them a receipt or e-receipt that you from the store where you bought the smartphone, they'll be able to help you out with your problem without removing any data from your device. And in case you cannot do that, then the best solution would be to perform a factory reset operation to regain access to your device. And now there are two different ways that you can perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone. The first one is remote, and the second one is local. If you want to perform a factory data reset operation remotely, you have to your phone has to be linked with your Google account in such case. And if your phone is linked with your Google account, you can use any other device that you have or have around you. Open the website or open the web browser on it, then go to the Find Hub website and open it. And once you open it, sign into your Google account on this website. Then go to the devices list and find your VIVO V60E on this list. Once you find it, tap on it and select factory reset device. Then confirm your choice, and once the factory data reset operation will be performed, you'll be able to regain access to your smartphone once again. Now the other way is the local one, the local factory reset, and to perform it you're going to have to access the recovery mode on your device. And if you're not sure how to do that, or if you don't know how to navigate this recovery mode on this smartphone or for any other reason possible, you can simply go ahead and check out the separate dedicated video on our channel where we explain everything step by step. This video is titled somewhat like how to factory reset VIVO V60E in recovery mode or using recovery mode. So you're highly welcome to go ahead and check out that video if you want to. Now, before I finish this video, I also want to review one other possibility. If you do remember the passwords that you entered the last time when you successfully entered your device, but you simply but your phone simply doesn't accept it this time, then maybe it's caused by some third-party application that is causing your lock screen to behave differently, or basically affects the way that it behaves for you right now. And in such case, you're gonna have to enter the safe mode to turn off all the third-party activities, applications, and other things. And to enter the safe mode on your phone, you have to press and hold the power button and volume up key at the same time to open the power menu. Then hold your finger down on the power off option and select OK to restart your phone. Then just wait until your phone is restarted. Once your phone is restarted in safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now provide your PIN code or password into this field and see if it works for you this time. And just in case it does, before trying to figure out what kind of application could have caused this issue, go to settings and scroll down to security and privacy, select device unlocking and select screen lock. Provide your password once again, tap OK, and then change it to either none or swipe, and then click remove. And then restart your phone once again by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Simply select restart and wait until your device is rebooted. After that, you'll be able to use your device once again. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.